Now, Shark redefines what cordless can be. With Shark's most innovative cleaning technology yet, on a vacuum that challenges current limitations. With unbound freedom, unquestionable control, uncompromising power, unstoppable clean.
It's a huge game changer. It gives you so much power and suction. I love it.
It really has changed the way that we clean our home. It's incredible.
Never would I have thought a cordless vacuum would have been able to clean my entire house. I would call this revolutionary.
It is the greatest vacuum I have ever owned in my life.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Introducing the all-new Shark IONFlex 2X, the world's first freestanding cord-free with DuoClean technology.
Having the freedom to move around the house without being bound by a cord is amazing.
It gives me so much freedom. I don't have to unplug my lamps so that I can plug in the vacuum.
Totally exceeded my expectations when it came to a cordless vacuum.
It's definitely set the bar. Normal vacuum, IONFlex. Whoa, Natalie.
It's seriously that good.
The new Shark IONFlex shatters the limitations of cordless vacuums. With the creation of Shark Ion technology, the new IONFlex gives you the ideal combination of a high-speed multi-phase motor and a high-capacity lithium battery system to deliver pure, raw suction power. And the Shark IONFlex is not just an amazing vacuum for your floors and carpets. It quickly transforms into a convenient handheld vac, so you can bring that powerful suction for incredible clean practically everywhere in your home. Pet owners will just love the deep cleaning motorized pet tool for pulling out hair and dander.
As a dog owner, there's no other vacuum that I want. We can just go right over the couch. Once we do that, it looks like a brand new couch. If you have a dog, you need the Shark IONFlex. This is because of you.
The anti-allergen dust brush for dusting without the messy rags. And you'll be amazed at the difficult places you can reach with the Multi-Flex Under Appliance Wand.
It was really easy because it reaches all the way back to the wall. I would never be able to get any of that clean without this vacuum.
Cord-free convenience and versatility make cleaning so easy.
With all the different tools that it has and the versatility, it's so convenient for me. I can just take one device around the house and do everything. It's completely changed the way I clean my house.
The new Shark IONFlex 2X, freestanding, cord-free. More suction power and runtime than the Dyson V8 Absolute. DuoClean technology for triple particle cleaning on both floors and carpets. Incredible versatility. Hassle-free runtime. Clean virtually everywhere. Charge anywhere, even while you clean. The Shark IONFlex 2X freestanding cord-free with hassle-free runtime, so you can always be charging. Unbound, uncompromising, unstoppable.
I love the IONFlex because I can be vacuuming wherever, upstairs, downstairs, in the living room, while the other battery is charging. With the freedom to go wherever I want, to just get it done so much faster, I can't even imagine going back to a corded vacuum.
Having a cordless vacuum is now a necessity for me.
It has everything I want, and it does everything I need it to do.
It's exceeded our expectations. The battery life, the suction power, the cleaning ability, the skepticism is gone.
The IONFlex is the most fantastic vacuum that I've ever owned in my life.
The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Crossover Max is one of the most highly rated vacuums in its class. It's the perfect choice for those who want the ease of an upright and the versatility of a canister. With a push of a button, you can seamlessly transition from carpet to hardwood in seconds without bending down. And a handy floor brush makes cleaning in tighter spaces a breeze. The lift-away canister helps you tackle those hard-to-reach areas around your home. A telescoping wand and variety of tools make light work of cleaning molding and drapery. Beyond the versatility, it's the power that makes the Crossover Max stand out from the rest. A dual motor and cyclonic action system with dirt compression technology create a strong suction that separates and traps dirt, hair, and debris. Stubborn pet hair is no match for the Pet Handymate's turbine power, which easily lifts pet hair from furniture. Plus, the convenience of a dustbin makes cleanup quick and easy. HEPA media exhaust filter and a washable pre-filter capture 99.97% of dust particles, including pollen, pet dander, mold, and bacteria, down to 0.3 micron. Amazing power, versatility, and convenience. The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Crossover Max. Kenmore, be amazing.
How good is your cordless vacuum? Does it have enough power? Can it tackle the toughest dirt? Does it clean for long enough on a single charge? Does it look this good? Introducing the new VaxBlade 2 Max with almost 3 times the power of any cordless we've ever produced. It outperforms the UK's top 10 best-selling cordless vacuums in independent tests. That's the cleaning performance of the best corded uprights in a sleek, lightweight design. The VAX Core processor monitors power up to 1,000 times a second, helping to give you optimum performance on both carpets and hard floors. And for stubborn dirt, simply switch to boost mode. A simple click takes it from upright to handheld in seconds. For easy cleaning up high, down low, and anywhere in between with no loss of suction. What's more, you get great cleaning performance with a stunning 45 minutes runtime on a single charge. When you're done, simply press the button and ditch the dirt. Fully charged from flat in just 3 hours, it's ready to go again when you are. The new VaxBlade 2 Max, our best ever cordless vacuum.
Introducing the Roidmi F8 Storm Cordless Vacuum, the world's first intelligent high-performance vacuum cleaner. With a variety of nozzles to adapt to any carpet or floor, the F8 uses powerful suction technology powered by a 100,000 RPM digital motor to get rid of all that excess dirt and dust cluttering up your home. With our modularized design, you can now easily switch between multiple brush heads to meet all your cleaning needs. Using the specially designed crevice tool and soft dusting brush, the F8 can deal with any couch, any situation, at any time. With 3 power modes, the F8 can clean up to 55 minutes and as much as 4,000 square feet without charging, with enough operating power to clean all around your home. With Bluetooth technology, you can connect the F8 to your smartphone, check battery usage, filter capacity, and surprisingly, even know how many calories you've burned off working out on the Roidmi. The one-touch separated dust cup design allows you to empty the dust easily and quickly, with no need to touch the dirt. We all like a relaxing home life, but life's full of surprises. With the help of the Roidmi F8, problems like these are quickly sucked away. Because your future cordless vacuum cleaner uses powerful suction technology to clean your home super efficiently, giving you and your family a happy, clean home. Roidmi is an important member of the world-famous Xiaomi invested ecosystem chain, dedicated to providing cost-effective, well-designed products. Our last product was a very widely praised, crowd-funded Roidmi car charger. It was a hit. Similar cordless vacuums cost $500 or higher. But through a super integrated design and efficient supply chain management, we've been able to halve that price. We've successfully completed crowdfunding in China. We are now officially releasing our newest version to the international community. Thank you for your support.
What a mess. You know when I need to get down to business? I grab the Dirt Devil Reach Max. You know, the one that's versatile, multi-floor, and all those other marketing buzzwords. Yup, no cord. And no pants. So I can clean anywhere. This is what long-lasting, fresh-to-death lithium power looks like. Really, this bad boy lasts longer than I need it to.
And the Reach Max does some pretty bad tricks, like converting to a hand vac.
That's right. Same cordless vacuum. This time, with a sweet stair tool. Check out that pivot. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. So, gone are the days of disaster zones. Boom! Hasta la vista, cobwebs. Or driving around in a crummy car. Who are you? Who are you? And most importantly, adios magic. Because it's already gone, thanks to the Dirt Devil Reach Max.
The new RIDGID WD-1685 Wet Dry Vac delivers the power, performance, and durability you expect from RIDGID while meeting all IEC compliance standards. This vac provides two powerful tools in one, a 16-liter wet dry vacuum and a detachable blower. The 1,390-watt motor quickly picks up messes, and the detachable blower removes debris wherever you find it. This vac is engineered with scroll noise technology to control airflow and reduce operating noise. Quickly remove the extra long 6-meter power cord from the wrap by using the quick release tab, and you're able to easily remove the debris. The 2.1-meter DuoClean locking hose will not pull loose during use. It resists collapsing and adds 180-degree flexibility at both hose ends. The caddy stores multiple accessories and keeps them close at hand. The polypropylene drum provides durability, and its large drain makes emptying water easy. The power head quickly lifts off for access to empty the drum, and the patented quick lock filter that simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning is great for everyday dirt. Power, performance, durability. RIDGID.